I want to go more into detail why psychology and the psychology profession is bullshit. Another thing, these people, as much as they claim to know the laws, they don't. I'm pretty sure they're angry because they realize that under the law, there's some things that are called protected speech. One of them being the freedom to jest. Jimmy Carson started this when he was trying to call out Prince Andrew as being a pedophile without getting in trouble, because under whether the Constitution in the United States or the Charter of Freedoms and Rights in Canada, there are certain speeches which are considered protected speech, meaning you cannot infringe a law for using these freedoms and rights. One of them being satire, a name known as the freedom to jest. This idea that you can make a parody of someone you disagree with, call it satire, and you can't get charged under the law because there's very little that a Supreme Court judge can do when it's protected speech. And Supreme Court judges will say, I don't want to do much to infringe on other people's rights when we're dealing with something which is protected speech.